What if I told you that the thing you're chasing to reduce anxiety isn't something you need to download or wait for someday? It's already inside you. If anxiety has been sitting heavy on your chest, making your mind race at night, stealing your peace during the day, then stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have simple, natural tools you can start using today to feel calmer, lighter, and more in control. Let's be real for a moment. Anxiety doesn't always show up as panic attacks or obvious fear. Sometimes it's overthinking everything. Sometimes it's that tight feeling in your stomach, the constant worry. The restlessness that won't let you relax even when everything seems fine. And the worst part is, the more you try to fight it, the louder it seems to get. So instead of fighting anxiety, what if we learned how to calm it, gently and naturally? The first thing I want you to understand is that anxiety lives in the body, just as much as it lives in the mind. That's why one of the fastest ways to reduce anxiety naturally is through your breath. Right now, most of us breathe shallow and fast without even realizing it. This tells the brain that something is wrong. Slow, deep breathing sends the opposite message. When you slow down your breath, you slow down your nervous system. Try inhaling slowly through your nose, filling your belly, then exhaling even slower through your mouth. Just a few minutes of this can signal safety to your brain and bring immediate relief. Another powerful natural tool is movement. You don't need intense workouts or long gym sessions. Even a simple walk can work wonders. When you move your body, you release built-up stress hormones and increase vehicles that naturally calm anxiety. Walking outside, especially in nature, adds an extra layer of calm. The fresh air, the sunlight, the rhythm of your steps, all of it helps your mind settle down. Think of movement as a way to shake anxiety out of your system. Let's talk about your thoughts, because anxiety loves to live there. Anxious thoughts often jump to the worst-case scenario and replay it over and over. Instead of trying to stop these thoughts, which rarely works, try observing them. When a thought pops up, say to yourself, I'm noticing an anxious thought. That small shift creates space between you and the anxiety. You are not your thoughts. They come and go, just like clouds in the sky. Your daily habits also play a huge role in anxiety levels. Too much caffeine, poor sleep, and constant screen time can quietly increase anxiety without you realizing it. Try switching 1 cup of coffee for herbal tea, setting a calming nighttime routine, and giving your mind a break from endless scrolling. Even small changes can create big shifts in how you feel. One of the most underrated natural remedies for anxiety is connection. Anxiety thrives in isolation. Talking to someone you trust, even briefly, can make a huge difference. You don't always need advice. Sometimes you just need to be heard. Human connection reminds your nervous system that you're not alone, and that alone can be incredibly calming. It's your body trying to protect you, even if it's overdoing it. The more compassion you show yourself, the less power anxiety has. Healing doesn't happen overnight, and that's okay. Every calm breath, every walk, every moment of awareness is a step forward. If you're dealing with anxiety right now, know this: you're not broken, and you're not alone. With simple, natural practices and a little patience, calm is possible. Start small, stay consistent, and trust that your body knows how to find balance again.